In this video, I will be showing you how to create Zoom virtual background in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and type Zoom virtual background into the search bar to see the available templates. This brings up a wide variety of professional designs. I'm looking for something clean and modern, so I'll select this blue minimalist layout and click Customize this template to open the editor. I want to give this background a completely different feel, so I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for black texture. I'll scroll through the results until I find a dark, grungy style that I like. Once I add it to the canvas, I'll right-click the image and select the option to set it as the background. I can also double-click the image to adjust the crop and positioning until the texture looks just right. Now I'll customize the text. I'll double-click the main heading and change it to DigiPro Students. To make the title look more impactful, I'll open the font menu and search for a bold, stylized font called Gogolin. I'll also adjust the position of the Zoom Room text and the horizontal line to balance the layout. Next, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for Graduation Hat. I'll pick a classic cap icon, resize it, and place it right on top of the letter D. To round out the academic theme, I'll scroll through the graphics to find a diploma icon. I'll add that to the canvas, scale it down, and rotate it slightly to sit at the end of the text. Finally, I'll change the color of the horizontal line to a black so it blends perfectly with the new background. After a few last adjustments to the size and alignment of my elements, my custom Zoom background is finished. I hope this tutorial helps you design a professional and personalized background for your next virtual meeting.